Hi, ready to explore a new tool together? Transform your cleaning routine with the BOSCH GlassVAC set, your ultimate window cleaner. This cordless wonder is designed for versatility, tackling everything from home windows to car windshields with ease. Enjoy streak-free glass thanks to the patented Power Protection Plus rubber coating. No more annoying screeching. With a powerful suction technology and an autonomy of 30 minutes, you can clean up to 35 windows or an impressive area of 105 square meters on a single charge. Its compact design makes it a breeze to maneuver in tight spaces. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning methods. Get the BOSCH GlassVAC Window Cleaner and experience spotless results in no time. Ready to elevate your cleaning game?
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.